Tips for English learning. In the quaint town of Greenfield lived a young girl named Mia. Mia was a bright and curious student who loved learning about new things. She had always been fascinated by different languages and cultures. When her teacher, Mr. Thompson, announced that their class would be learning English, Mia was both excited and nervous. English seemed like a challenging language, and she was worried about keeping up with her classmates. Noticing Mia's concern, Mr. Thompson decided to offer her some helpful advice. "Mia," he said kindly, "learning English can be really enjoyable if you follow a few simple tips. Let me share them with you." Mia listened intently as Mr. Thompson began to explain the tips for learning English. Practice every day. The first tip Mr. Thompson offered was to practice English every day. Just like you practice playing a musical instrument or sports, you need to practice English regularly, he explained. Consistency is key. Mia took this advice to heart. She started by incorporating English into her daily routine. Every morning, she read a short story or a news article in English. It was not always easy, and sometimes she struggled with new words, but she found it enjoyable to see her progress over time. Speak English as much as possible. The second tip was to speak English as much as possible. Speaking helps you get used to the language and improves your fluency, Mr. Thompson said. Try to use English in conversations whenever you can. Mia began to practice speaking with her friends and family. She started by using simple sentences and gradually included more complex ones as she became more comfortable. She wasn't always perfect, but with each conversation, her confidence grew. She found that speaking English with her friends made learning fun and engaging. Listen to English. Mr. Thompson's third tip was to listen to English regularly. Listening is an important part of learning a language, he said. It helps you understand how English sounds and how people use it in different contexts. Mia started to explore different ways to listen to English. She began listening to English songs, which she enjoyed immensely. The catchy tunes and rhythms helped her remember new words. She also started watching movies and TV shows in English, with subtitles at first to help her follow along. Over time, she noticed that she could understand more and more of what was being said without needing the subtitles. Write in English. The fourth tip was to write in English. Writing helps you practice grammar and vocabulary, Mr. Thompson said. It also allows you to express your thoughts clearly. Mia decided to start a journal where she wrote about her daily experiences and thoughts. At first, she found it challenging to write in English, but she enjoyed the process of putting her ideas on paper. As she continued, her writing improved. She also enjoyed writing short stories and letters to her friends. The more she wrote, the better her writing skills became. Read aloud. The fifth tip was to read aloud. Reading aloud helps with pronunciation and fluency, Mr. Thompson explained. It also helps you become more comfortable with the rhythm of the language. Mia began to read her favorite books and stories out loud to herself. She practiced different voices and intonations to make the reading more engaging. Reading aloud helped her improve her pronunciation and made her more confident in her speaking abilities. Use English apps and games. The sixth tip was to use English learning apps and games. There are many apps that can make learning English fun and interactive, Mr. Thompson said. These tools often include games and quizzes that can help reinforce your skills. Mia discovered several apps that were designed to make learning English enjoyable. She played language games, completed quizzes, and used flashcards to learn new vocabulary. The interactive nature of these apps kept her engaged and motivated to keep learning. Join English clubs. Mr. Thompson's seventh tip was to join English clubs or groups. Being part of a group that is also learning English can be very motivating, he said. You can practice together and support each other. Mia found an English club at her school. The club met once a week to practice speaking, read books together, and discuss various topics in English. She enjoyed meeting new friends and practicing English in a social setting. The club provided her with opportunities to use English in real-life situations, which was both challenging and rewarding. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The eighth tip was to not be afraid of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language, Mr. Thompson said. It's a natural part of the process. Don't let fear hold you back. Mia took this advice seriously. She embraced her mistakes as learning opportunities and didn't let them discourage her. Whether she made errors in speaking, writing, or understanding, she viewed them as steps toward improvement. Her positive attitude helped her progress faster and made the learning process less stressful. Set goals. The ninth tip was to set goals. Setting goals helps you stay focused and measure your progress, Mr. Thompson explained. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your accomplishments. Mia began setting weekly goals for herself. She aimed to learn 10 new words each week and practice speaking for at least 15 minutes every day. She tracked her progress in a notebook and celebrated when she reached her goals. This approach kept her motivated and gave her a sense of achievement. Have fun. The final tip was to have fun while learning. Learning English should be enjoyable, Mr. Thompson said. Find ways to make it fun, and you'll be more likely to stick with it. Mia remembered this tip and made sure to find joy in her learning process. She played English language games, sang along to her favorite English songs, and watched entertaining movies. She made her English learning experience as enjoyable as possible, which helped her stay engaged and excited about the language. With these tips in mind, Mia embarked on her journey to improve her English skills. She practiced every day, spoke with friends, listened to English media, wrote and read aloud, used apps and games, joined a club, embraced her mistakes, set goals, and made learning fun. Over time, Mia's English skills improved significantly. She became more confident in speaking, writing, and understanding English. She enjoyed using English in her daily life and found that it opened up new opportunities for her. One day, Mia had the chance to speak English with a visitor from another country. She was able to have a meaningful conversation, and she felt proud of how far she had come. Her hard work and dedication had paid off, and she realized that learning English had enriched her life in many ways. As Mia looked back on her journey, she remembered the valuable tips that had helped her succeed. She knew that with practice, patience, and a positive attitude, anyone could learn English effectively. She was grateful for the support she had received from Mr. Thompson and the enjoyment she found in the learning process. Mia continued to use the tips she had learned to help others who were also on their journey to mastering English. She shared her experiences and encouraged her friends to follow the same advice that had helped her. Through her own success, she inspired others to embark on their own language learning adventures. And so, Mia's journey with English continued, filled with excitement, growth, and the joy of learning something new every day. The voiceover in this video is provided by English Gum. Copying or re-uploading is strictly prohibited.